Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning home tour is presented, showcasing the latest dark exterior design trends for 2025. Explore sleek and sophisticated finishes, dramatic color palettes, and innovative lighting techniques that transform a home's exterior into a modern and captivating masterpiece. Start with a dramatic, moody visual of a dark exterior home. Emphasize the shift from traditional light exteriors to the bold, modern aesthetic of dark hues. Mention how this trend offers a unique opportunity for homeowners to express their personal style. Discuss the versatility of dark colors like charcoal, navy, and black, showcasing their ability to create a sophisticated and timeless feel. Highlight the impact of natural light on these dark exteriors, creating beautiful shadows and depth. Explore the use of contrasting accents like white trim, natural wood elements, or pops of color for added visual interest. Introduce innovative materials like dark brick, black metal siding, and textured concrete, offering a modern and durable finish. Discuss how these materials enhance the elegance and longevity of the exterior. Emphasize the importance of incorporating natural elements like wood accents and landscaping to soften the dark tones and create a sense of warmth. Showcase how strategic lighting can transform a dark exterior into a captivating nighttime spectacle. Explore various lighting techniques like recessed lighting, accent lighting, and path lighting, highlighting their role in creating ambience and highlighting architectural features. Discuss the importance of choosing the right type of light bulbs to enhance the mood and minimize glare. Briefly discuss the evolution of dark exteriors, forecasting emerging trends like the use of metallic accents and textured surfaces. Encourage viewers to embrace their own creativity and experiment with different dark hues and materials to create a truly unique and personal home exterior. End with a captivating image of a dramatic dark exterior, highlighting the elegance and sophistication of this modern design trend. A modern, luxurious, multi-story house with a large, covered patio overlooking a tranquil water feature. The house features a dark gray exterior with exposed beams, large windows, and a stone facade. The patio deck extends out over a still, dark reflective water feature that appears to be a pond or pool. Fire pits and comfortable outdoor seating with warm lighting are on the deck. Surrounding the house and patio are lush, dark green trees and landscaping, evoking a serene natural setting bordering the house. The overall impression is one of modern elegance in a natural setting, late evening or twilight, with warm golden orange light illuminating the interior and exterior spaces. A spacious, white farmhouse with a dark metal roof and black framed windows. Full color, hyperrealistic, front porch scene. The porch extends the full width of the house and features a wooden deck and comfortable wicker furniture. The house has a classic farmhouse style with gable roofs and wide eaves. The color palette is predominantly white, with accents of dark brown wood on the porch doors and furniture, and deep black window frames. The porch is furnished with a couch, armchairs, and coffee table. The lawn is a vibrant green, surrounding the house and framed by well-maintained landscaping beds with various plants and flowers. A charming black-clad cabin nestled amidst a forest. Hyperrealistic, slightly moody autumnal scene. Dark gray/black metal roofing, dark gray/black siding with vertical boarding on the main house. Wooden deck with steps leading down to the ground, featuring gray/beige furniture, sofa, coffee table, dining table and chairs. Large windows with natural light filtering through, showcasing the interior of the cabin with light wooden accents. The surrounding forest is full of tall trees, some with a warm, autumnal foliage, and the ground is scattered with rocks of various sizes and tones. Golden hour impressionist style, with hints of warm, golden hues in sunlit areas, contrast with the darker shadows of the forest. A modern, minimalist, dark-toned home extension with a large deck overlooking a lush backyard. The home features dark charcoal gray wood cladding, large windows showcasing the interior's warm, natural light and light wooden interiors, a kitchen, living area, and reading/library nook. The kitchen is a rich, light oak/beige color with dark cabinetry. The deck is a gray-brown composite material, with a flat surface and a gradual, stone-paved walkway leading to the lawn. The backyard has a well-maintained lawn, small shrubs, and some trees. A variety of plants, including bushes and perhaps some ferns or bonsai trees, are strategically placed. A modern, curved, glass-fronted house with a dark exterior, nestled within a serene Japanese-style garden. The house features large expanses of glass, showcasing the interior and the surrounding foliage. The interior is bathed in warm light, reflecting onto the surrounding dark water features and landscaping, creating a tranquil atmosphere. The garden includes a koi pond with large, gray, and slate-colored rocks and vegetation. The house has a flowing, organic facade, and the curved lines of the architecture complement the natural curves of the trees. A modern, minimalist, luxury house nestled within a lush forest setting. Mid-century modern influences, dark gray/charcoal wood plank exterior siding, black metal accents, and large expanses of glass create a sophisticated and elegant impression. The home showcases a seamless integration of indoor-outdoor living, with a covered patio area featuring a comfortable sectional sofa, and visible interior spaces through the large windows, subtly illuminated by warm, golden interior lighting. A well-manicured garden with various plants, including palm trees and lush greenery, surrounds the house. A water feature in the foreground adds a touch of tranquility. A modern, dark, and elegant house nestled on a water's edge. The home, with a dark gray/black exterior, features large windows that let in a warm interior glow. Stone accents are incorporated into the design, particularly around a fireplace. The house rests on a floating dock extending out over a still, dark reflecting pond. Surrounding the house are trees and lush landscaping. The overall mood is serene and luxurious. A mix of warm lighting and ambient light from the interior illuminates the scene. Use a combination of hyperrealistic and impressionistic elements to capture the atmosphere, highlighting the reflection in the water and the interplay of light and shadow. A modern, minimalist, contemporary house nestled within a lush, verdant forest. The home features a dark, almost black, steel-framed structure with large windows showcasing the interior design. The interior is bright, warm, and inviting with a palette of warm beige and light wood tones. Natural light streams through the large windows, illuminating the space. The exterior brickwork and the metal framing create a stark contrast with the lush green surrounding foliage. The house is partially hidden by trees, and the surrounding garden features landscaped areas, with various plants, including palm trees and other tropical greenery, creating a balanced and comfortable ambience. A modern, minimalist, dark gray charcoal-colored house nestled in a lush green forest setting, featuring a large, open-plan living space with floor-to-ceiling glass walls providing a seamless connection to the outdoor deck. The house has a vegetated roof and the facade is covered with a living wall of greenery. The deck is made of dark gray stone or wood-look material. Outdoor seating, a gray modular sofa and coffee table, is situated on the deck, overlooking a tranquil pond with lily pads. The surrounding landscaping is a mix of native greenery, rocks, and moss. The lighting inside the house is warm. The overall aesthetic is serene, tranquil, and blends seamlessly with nature. A modern, two-story home with a contemporary design. Twilight exterior shot, showcasing a large, multi-level home with dark gray/black metal roofing and stone facade. The stone is a mix of medium gray and darker, slightly speckled tones. Large windows with warm, amber-toned interior light illuminating the space. Exterior lighting accents the landscaping and the building itself. The home is flanked by trees and bushes. The landscaping includes varied greenery, shrubs and bushes in various shades of green. The paving around the house is mostly gray stone, and the street is dark gray asphalt. A modern, luxurious, multi-level home nestled within a lush green garden. Dark gray metal siding and glass walls create a sophisticated aesthetic. Extensive green roofs and walls of ivy provide a natural contrast to the dark architecture. The home features large windows, illuminating the interior spaces with warm, golden light, showcasing a modern, minimalist interior design. A covered outdoor seating area with a wooden bench and a pool area are integrated seamlessly into the landscape design. The scene is bathed in a soft, ambient light that suggests the evening or late afternoon. A modern, dark, minimalist, luxury home nestled into a hillside setting overlooking a tranquil valley. Hyperrealistic rendering. Dark gray concrete exterior walls, accented by warm, golden interior lighting visible through expansive glass windows. The home features multiple levels, terraces, and balconies with lush landscaping and greenery. Outdoor seating areas, including lounge furniture placed on the terraces, are adorned with warm golden light. The scene is set at dusk or dawn, with subtle mountain silhouettes and a faint city skyline in the background. A low stone wall with a fire pit or water feature. A modern, minimalist, dark gray and black house nestled in a lush, green forest. The house features large windows, showcasing the interior's warm, golden lighting. A contemporary, open floor plan, includes a living area with a fireplace and a dining area. A patio area with dark gray pavers extends the living space to the outdoors, surrounded by carefully landscaped gardens, including bushes, trees, and a small pond with a fountain.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.